Let's look at how to request a session or schedule your own session because this is a little tricky, and so it's worth the quick look over. But this should be the dashboard page when you log into your Practice Better portal, and you're going to come up here to request a session. Now, if you have already paid for a package, you've set up for the Defiant Nutrition Acceleration or Nutrition Evolved, or we've got an initial consultation planned, it should show up here. Now, where this gets tricky is we're just trained to click the button. And so most people click book another service. If you do that, it's going to take you to this list again, kind of the basic things, and it's going to try to charge you because what you're saying is, what this is showing here is these are the packages, the programs you have, the sessions you have. This is a separate service if you're looking for something else. So you're almost always going to want to click whatever is here from your list. So you can see 14 sessions remaining for the Defiant Nutrition Acceleration program. That's how many come with this as an example. So again, I think a lot of people click this book another service because we are trained to kind of click this button here on the right, like, yes, we want to book. So you are booking from a package you have already paid for, most likely here. So if you click that, instead, it's going to let you see what services, different packages. Sometimes they'll have coaching calls, maybe the initial consultations included. Maybe we've got group calls or a lab review or something like that. But in general, coaching calls are typically what I use just for ease. So you then select that. And then instead of being taken to that first page that looks at purchasing a new session, you're coming right to the calendar because you've already paid for this session. You can then look at the schedule and see, you'll have to put your phone number in here, for example, and then you can look at this. Generally, I just do one-on-one client work Monday through Wednesday. So you'll click on here, it'll show you what's available at that point. Come down here, wherever it is, put it in and say next. And at that point, you want to look at it and you want to click confirm and book. And what that does is it gives me a notification that you're requesting that time slot, just so I can double check, make sure I didn't forget to block anything if I had an appointment come up, or any of my own things that might have come up. So that request now goes through to me, it goes into my calendar, and you'll eventually get an email back saying either I had to decline it for some reason if I made a mistake with my own schedule, or accept it in, and we'll go from there. So again, that's the key issue here. Top, request a session. Do not click book another service. You're going to want to pull it from your package here and go from there. Okay? Same thing here. Otherwise, never mind. So I hope that helps clarify some things.